Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial here on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this sexy dramatic smoky eye using the new Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm just going to go in with Saturn from the Prism palette because I wanted the look to have a warm orangey tone to it. So I'm applying this shade with a fluffy blending brush in my crease and on my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to bring it out towards my temples just to get more of that cat eye shape. Next I'm picking up Sienna and Mulberry from the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette to define the crease and the shape of the look a little bit more. And as you can see, the cat eye shape is starting to be more visible now. I'm using a smaller blending brush to apply these shadows because I don't want to go all over the orange shadow I just applied. Now I'm going in with Cypress Umber, which is a little bit darker, and I'm pretty much applying that in the same place I just applied the other two shades. I sprayed a little bit of setting spray on my flat eyeshadow brush off camera, so now I'm picking up the Amrezy highlight on the brush, and I'm just going to apply this on my lid and in my inner corners. And as you can see, I'm pulling this one out in a wing shape in the outer corners as well. Now I'm going in with Noir eyeshadow on a small angled brush, and I'm going to create a smoky dramatic winged liner that kind of fades into the eyeshadow. You can just watch what I'm doing here because it's kind of hard to explain for me. Here I'm tightlining and lining my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil from Marc Jacobs. And then I'm going in with a little bit of the Amrezy highlighter again, just to define the wing shape because I felt like I lost the shape a little bit when I did the liner. Now I'm applying my absolute favorite mascara combo, and then I'm also going to apply Sasha Eyelashes from Huda Beauty to finish off the eye look. When I was done, I felt like something was missing, and I realized that I didn't do my inner corner wing that I always do, so that's what I'm doing here. For my cheeks, I'm just applying a blush and highlighter from the Becca and Chrissy Teigen palette. Now for the lips, I chose between a nude lip and a dark lip, and I couldn't really decide on which one to pick, so I decided I would show you guys both looks. The nude color is Middle Karma from Not Black Cosmetics, and the darker brown color is Cocoa, also from Not Black Cosmetics. And that's it for this look, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!